Guys, they're gone now. Hi everyone, it's been a long time since my last video, so I'm going to share some reason why I'm not able to do a video this past few weeks. I'm really getting really so tired, guys. I cannot explain everything what I did this past few weeks, but I'll show you one of the reason. Actually, it's also breaking my heart to share this because a lot of things happen, a lot is gone, and still some are remaining here. So, I'll show you guys. So, these are the reason why I'm not able to do some video, guys. They are really sick. Alhamdulillah, they survived for almost 1 month now, reaching to 1 month. Mochi and Mochi. They cannot fly actually, guys, because their head is twisting. I'll show you one. Look at him. Oh. He's very bended. Look, it's become dirty as well. Wait. Mochi, come baby. Hello. Oh, look. See? Look at him. Dirty mo na, Mochi. Ang dumi-dumi niya na. Tapos, hindi ka, Mochi. Yan. Yung kanyang neck, nagtutwist. Hindi rin siya makakain masyado. Hello, yung iba pa naman, guys, the others, they are mouth breathing. They are like that, then suddenly they will just die. A lot of my pigeon, guys, they're gone now. Maybe it's more than 15 pigeons I've lost. And alhamdulillah, still the others are surviving. Like this, my Mochi. Some of them are still surviving, but they are really suffering. They need to be under the sun, so they will get some vitamins. Kalas, Mochi. Look at them. Say hi to them. So, the others as well. There's one more inside my home. But the others, they are all up. Because all that I put here, guys, in the sala of ours, sila yung mga hindi masyadong kumakain. They don't eat, they don't drink, they cannot. But this one, alhamdulillah, still, he can eat, he can drink if he get the chance. But as you can see nga, masyadong bended yung kanyang katawan. Tapos yung mata niya, kita mo yung mata niya, oh. Ayan. The eyes, guys, it's been scratched. See? He scratched it by his nails. I want to go inside. I feel really bad with this, my pigeon, guys. And this one, the other inside, they are together. So they are making a good pigeons. They make very good pigeons. But because they now they are sick, they cannot do anything. Samuchi, oh Manuchi. This virus, guys, it's really too much for us. So inshallah they will be fine. This virus is really too much for my pigeon, guys. So I'll let you down. Go down. Look at him. Ganyan siya, guys, kapag nilagay ko siya sa lapag. Look. It's going back to normal sometimes. And cannot really fly. Mochi. Alas, Mochi. I'll close for you. Masyadong too much air. And this mommy and daddy. Oh, what happened to you? Ika, mami. And this one, guys, she become thin, cannot eat, and it's vomiting. It's vomiting. La, mommy, it's vomiting. Come, Mochi. Say hi to them. Before, it was very big. But now, look. She's moving the head. And she become thin also. Cannot eat. And I'm giving food, but it's vomiting the food that I'm giving. Just after a few hours, it's vomiting. So today I tried to give a plain rice, so she will not be hungry and very weak. But she's really weak now, mommy, and she's doing a very good job. She's getting a lot of babies before. So mommy, say hi to them, mommy. Ah, hi. Get well soon, mommy. Mommy. Oh, look at them. This is them. And this is the husband. Come on, she. Cannot fly. He's struggling for drinking water. Even drinking water, they cannot drink water by their own. I'm giving them some kind of medicine, vitamins, and for the wreck neck, for the twisted neck, they give us some medicine for the twisted neck. I just leave for them some water so they can drink. But while they will be here outside, I think they will feel more better. Chi, relax here, ha? And the other one is here. Mochi, relax ka lang dyan, ha? Nilagay ko na siya doon. I put it up. So yan, starting again to bend its body, his neck. Mochi. So you can see, guys, I'm really so stressed and really I don't have time to do a video last few weeks. I'm not able to do anything. But this time, because a lot of them already gone and there are only a few that really sick, so I managed to share with you this moment, why I'm struggling, why I'm not able to do some video for you guys. I'll show you also one more inside. It's little small, but that one is more better than the others. So guys, I'm going to, I put this one back. I put it back. This one. Hindi niya kasi kaya sa labas eh. Nagtutwist talaga siya sa labas, na-stress siya. Yan, mas relax siya dito sa loob. Hindi niya kaya sa labas, na-stress siya sa box. Mas gusto niya dito. Sorry, Mochi. I will not put you out na. But that's nice for you. The sun, it's vitamin D. You need to be warm. Okay. I'll give you water. You have food here, ha? Yan. Now you drink water now. So thirsty. You get tired outside. Just few minutes I put you. Mapagod siya sa labas. Sorry, Mochi. Ito naman yung isang pigeon ko dito na makulit. Magaling na rin siya. Hello. Hi, say hi. Yan. Much better na siya ngayon compare mo nung nakaraang linggo, guys. Tinanggal din pala namin yung mga buntot nila, kaya yung look nila ay parang kakaiba. Pakita ko sa inyo yung buntot nila. Tinanggal namin lahat, kaya hindi sila makakalipad ng mataas. Even na itong isang to, makulit talaga siya. Nakita ko siya doon sa taas, sa loft namin. Nakabitin yung isa niyang paa, kasi nakatali siya doon sa sako. Nilagyan ko kasi sila ng sako sa baba para may sapin sila. Para hindi sila masyadong madumi. Pagkakita ko kinumagahan, nakasabit siya, guys, doon sa sako. Kumbaga, nakalagay sila sa medyo mataas. Tapos, yung isang paa niya, nakasabit ng ganun. Tapos, yung pakpak niya, puro dugo. Siguro, pinag-aaway siya nung mga kasama niyang mga malalaking pigeon sa taas. So, ito yung kanyang buntot. Pakita ko. Medyo suplado kasi ito eh. Ayan, nakita mo yung buntot. Tabo, oh. Nangangagat siya. Ayan yung buntot, oh. Usually, yung buntot nila, guys, mas mahaba kumpara mo dito sa pakpak nila. Dahil nga sa tinanggal namin, para mag-flow yung blood nila, dumalo yung dugo. Yan, naging much better yung feeling niya ngayon compare mo last week nga. Ang laki ng improvement niya. Mas salip. Thanks be to God. Tama na. Makulit to eh. Ano mo, Chi? Ito mo siya, nangangagat. Yan, gustong-gusto niya dito lang sa lapag, ay sa kanyang bahay. Itong plastic na tong balde. Ito yung kanyang bahay. Natin kung magpapakarga siya. Kamuchi? Na-injured kasi yung kanyang paa. Ayan, na-injured yung paa niyan. Nakita niyo yan, oh, yung sugat niya. Puro yan dugo last week. Kulit kasi to eh, makulit to eh, makulit. Ano? Tapos yan yung kanang paa niya yan. Ayan guys, yung kanang paa niya. Nakita nyo, medyo hindi pa siya masyadong magaling. Itong yung pakpak niya. Pero alhamdulillah, he's better now. Diba, Muchi? Say hi! Hi to them, Andoy! Hi! You want to go out also? Ha? You want outside? Wawa man. Take rest ka na dito. Galipad? You want to fly? You want to fly? Dungis muna. Get well soon, then you will take shower. Hindi ko sila pinapaliguan ngayon, guys, kasi nga, malamig. It's winter. Go back, baby. Ayaw niya na bumaba. Ala, tumalo na siya sa sofa. Don't go there. Ala. Gucci! Ko sa inyo, lumilipad na siya eh. Halika na, Mochi. Balik ka na dito. I will put him back ba. Hala, makulit siya. Ayan, makulit siya, makulit. Turbo kasi siya. Kumain ka na. You eat now. Continue eating. Sorry, Mochi. Yan, we're friends na. Dalawa yan sila. May kapatid siya nun. Kaso, one time nga, nakita ko na lang na deads na yung kanyang kapatid, guys. Kita ko na lang sa lapag. Kaya, nakakapanghina minsan. Ayun ang dahilan, guys. Kaya, hindi ako nakakapag-video last 3 weeks back and it's Ramadan. So, just please pray for my pigeon these days. Inshallah na mawala na yung virus sa kanila. Gumaling na sila. And I'm trying a lot of medicine actually. but little by little only. Kasi maliliit lang yung liver nila, baka mamaya ma-force sila, magkaroon pa ng more complication sa body nila. Liliit pa naman nitong mga pigeon, 'di ba? Ito nga rin pala yung first time na nag-alaga ako ng pigeon or ng kalapate, and hindi ko in-expect na talagang magugustuhan ko sila. Imagine guys, nung unang pasok ko dun sa loft namin, takot na takot ako kasi nga nagliliparan sila, and never pa akong naka-experience na humawak ng kalapate or nitong pigeon. Pero dito sa Egypt, and na-expose ako dahil nga sa asawa ko, love niya yung mga pigeon, and kinakain kasi nila dito yung mga pigeon. Pero yung maliliit lang, nag-choose naman kami kung ano yung kakainin, ano yung, hindi. Meron kasing kind ng pigeon na hindi talaga kinakain. Pero itong mga French, ta's yung mga local brand nila, kinakain talaga. Please pray for my pigeon na sana gumaling na sila, and inshallah, I'll do more video for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!